welcome to Yardie Kitchen. Yes, this is the wifey, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I jazz up my basic rice to make it a little bit more nutritious and a little bit more exciting. Today I'm going to be making pumpkin spinach coconut rice, and for today's pumpkin ingredient, I'm actually using this butternut squash, which actually is from the pumpkin family, but which I actually prefer more than actual pumpkin, to be honest. I don't need a lot, so I'm literally just cutting off the top part of it to use for my pumpkin rice recipe. So let me go ahead and peel this bad boy and come back to y'all. Alright guys, so I have 2 cups of diced pumpkins, and I also have 2 cups of spinach. I'm just going to rough chop it, not cutting it up too small, because as you already know, spinach wilts easily, so there's no need to, shred it or fine chop it. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it just like that. So now I'm going to start the whole cooking process, so stick and stay and see what happens next. Alright guys, so to start the ball rolling, I am going to be using some coconut milk. I'm using the Grace coconut milk powder, and I have some already warmed water here that I'm going to dilute it into. So I'm using the entire pack because I want it to have a rich coconut flavor, guys. And the warm water helps to dilute it easily as opposed to using room temperature or cold water. The warm water is way quicker in terms of diluting the powder. So I'm adding 1 cup of coconut milk, and then I'm adding 1.5 cup of regular water. Alright, and of course I'm adding my seasonings. I have a bunch of thyme right here I'm adding. And I just picked some scallion from the backyard, chopping that up to add to the water also. You want to properly season your pumpkin rice, guys, because it's all about the flavor. Flavor is everything. Just rough chop it, no big issue. Rough chop was it. And I'm adding a couple pimentos or allspice berries, not too many. Alright, and I have 2 whole crushed garlic cloves. I usually add not crushed, smashed. I usually add garlic powder, but we are out of garlic powder. Yes, so gotta do what we gotta do. All right, so now I'm gonna be adding my seasonings, my powdered seasonings. I'm using a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt. And you guys, haha, haha, haha. 2 teaspoons of my pumpkin soup flavored mix. All right, don't even question it. Just work with it. All right, work with it. You will see why when you try it and realize how much flavor it adds. All right. So I'm just gonna put this on to start boiling now, and then once it comes to a boil, I will add my pumpkin, and then we go from there. All right, so it has come to a boil, so I'm adding my 2 cups of diced pumpkins, and then I'm just allowing it to, you know, kind of par cook before adding the rice. All right, guys, so I'm adding my rice now. The pumpkin is partially cooked, so I'm just adding the rice, and once I add the rice, I'm pretty much going to cover the pot and allow it to do its thing. When it's almost done is when I'm going to be adding the spinach. You dig? But 2 things before I close the pot is I'm going to add some butter. I'm adding some butter, and I am adding a whole scotchy, aka scotch bonnet pepper. Cover my pot, turn it down on low, and it should be all done in about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about what, 15 minutes. So I'm taking out the pepper because we don't want no accidents like such. And I'm adding the spinach now. And it's just gonna wilt on its own naturally. And once it's wilted, then I will come and fluff up the rice. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. So pepper back in, pot cover on, and we are. All right, so guys, it has been 5 minutes since I added the spinach, and it's all done nice and shelly and fluffy and well seasoned, guys. Yes, this is an amazing way to incorporate vegetables into your dish, and guys, you will not regret trying this one. So stay tuned for the plating. Yeah, the better TV says so. Alright guys, so here is our finished look, our pumpkin spinach coconut rice, yes. And we just went ahead and served it up with these delicious chicken wings. You can also see the video for our chicken wing, the garlic, ginger, honey, spicy chicken wing, yeah. So look out for that video. And yes, just some salad. So but the pumpkin rice, guys, is the star of the show. Star of the show. Lovely, isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it make me know how it look, how it turn out. Just drop a comment down below. And yeah, take care guys. Until next time, Yardie Belly TV one more time with another banger. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV journey to 100,000 subscribers. So do what you gotta do. Peace.
So that's it for today's recipe, guys. Remember, guys, that we have the one-day detox available. You can order from us by just dialing the number in the description box. And of course, we thank you once again for your support as we run to 100,000 subscribers. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV, alright? And remember always, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie Belly TV says so.